Hey y'all, it's CJ. If you're new, welcome to my channel. If you're not new, welcome back. Cool. So by the title, y'all can see I'm gonna show y'all some tips and tricks when it comes to making nude lip gloss. And I have on one of my nude lip glosses right here. She's not named yet, so if y'all find a good name, let me know in the comments. So this is something I've been working on. So for the longest, so I've been using the TKB Baby Girl Pink Lip Liquid, right? So y'all see how this looks. And it's like, the pink doesn't dissolve or mix well. So look at it. Yeah, I'm just using a pipette because why not? But as you can see right there, those little pink lines. And I only did one drop. So I have been messing with this mixture, and I tried just doing oil and doing one drop, doing 2 drops, and see which works best. And it's like, you have to use more brown, but I want a tan nude. So I don't want this dark brown, I actually want it to be tan. It's like that pink does not mix really well. Like, you really have to mix it in. Like, see, there's still pink. And I've been mixing it the whole time we've been talking. So like, I've really been struggling, because you can watch videos and like they got their nude mixture down pat, but they don't show you like the edits and how long it actually took them or how many tries, you know. So I'm trying to be transparent with y'all, because it's not that easy. And if you can look right there, there's still pink on the side. This pink really doesn't mix as easy as people want you to think. And one of my glosses is like, I'm gonna add some more pink, because I know y'all probably think I'm tripping. So one of my glosses are really pretty color, right? So look at the pink. It's really pretty. When I put it on my lips, it was like there was a pink tint. Like, I didn't mix it well enough, you know, and that's aggravating. Like, it's not a pink tint, but it was like a white tint. As you can see, I wonder if y'all can really see it. Like, it still got like dots of pink in it. So my suggestions is either use less pink, because either way you really gotta mix it up to get rid of that tint. And even still, I don't think this is the nude I want. It's still kind of dark. I'm putting a light so y'all can really see it. I want like a really light brown. So I have to get me some white pigment, because I think that'll also help. But watching these other business, like, they made it seem like this mess was so easy. So later on in the week, I will be doing a inventory haul and how I've been able to get supplies during the quarantine. Like, it's mixing better. I bet you it's still not the color I want. Yeah, like, it legit looked like I made the same shade. Like even with adding in all that pink. This was my first time making this one, and it wasn't the color. Then I tried to remake it, and then the lip gloss tube, you can see the pink in it. So like, I'm not tripping. Then I'm gonna show y'all a swatch of my arm. Now once I get it down pat, like these colors are gonna be amazing. But it's still like, with anything, it's trial and error, which is cool. Because my new collection thus far has 11 shades. And I need more pinks and tans. So I'm about to show y'all the swatch. Well, that's not a good one, but I'm gonna show y'all the swatch. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe if you like this video. And tell me more things y'all want to see from me. Here's the bowl and what I was first mixing with. And as you can see, like it, I don't know if it's because everything's not completely mixed in or what.